Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane from Diane Mom Garden Videos. Appreciate you stopping by today. Today I'm going to take you around my home showing you my houseplants that I have here in my home. As you can see in front of you there, we are in a south window, and this is mostly what I have from what I had downstairs. You remember all them I had under my lighting? Well, I don't have a lot of them left, but I do have some left. I put them up here upstairs because I just love to have the plants where I can see them upstairs. So this one is a Pothos, or these are a really popular houseplant. This one has gotten really big. It actually extends all the way to the floor. I went ahead and pulled it up and wrapped it around up top, because it's a beautiful plant and it's doing pretty good, but it does tend to dry out fast. It's kind of in some good lighting here right next to the south window, and it doesn't get direct sunlight. It's kind of a filtered sun, but it does really well. The next plant is my prayers plant. You've seen all my propagation videos. I'm sure you've seen me planting them, but this one has really gotten long. And I could probably cut it and take some cuttings off of it, but I'm going to leave it alone for a while because I got a few of these in my home. But I just love the prayer plant. Look at that. Aren't those just gorgeous? You see me propagate my fig tree. Look at that. It's 30 years old. And I did take, I took those clippings off of them last spring, and I did a video on that. And I'll show you those plants, how they're doing now today. But look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Next plant is the yucca tree. I call it a yucca tree. Look at this. It's almost up to the ceiling. It's really, really gotten big. And it's doing pretty good. I have to kind of watch it though. It does tend to get dry. See if I can get you a better... Look at that. Just love it. It's in a north-facing window, and it seems to do just fine. How about those Rex begonias? We got a couple different kinds there. They actually do pretty good indoors, and they're on my north-facing window also. But don't let them get too dry. They don't like it. But let's get you a close-up. They do bloom light pink flowers, but aren't those beautiful? Here is my young fig trees, and you've seen me propagate it if you've seen the video where I propagated them. I got 2 pots of them, and always good to have extra plants just in case your original one doesn't make it. So they're doing really good. I have them in this south facing window also, and they are kind of got a filtered lighting with the curtain right here, but they seem to like it really well. Here's my leopard lilies. They actually are doing pretty good in this south window. See the variegation? You've probably seen these on some of my videos. They're succulent-like. They just keep producing. They keep growing more and more. I got 2 pots of them, and they're doing really good. Here's a prayers plant. This is a propagation off my original plant. This one here is deeper colors, and I have it here. It's kind of being shaded by the fig tree, but it's doing really good. The ends look nice. The coloring on this one is so much more intense because of the lighting. This one's a euphorbia cactus. Look at it. It's gone to town, and it does really good here in the south window. I propagated one, and it also doing good right there. I do got a few different succulents that I kept just because they're easy to grow, and I just love growing them. And you can propagate off of them too at a certain time because they do grow babies. Here is the Mangave Blood Sport. And I've had this in this pot since I discontinued my greenhouse business. And it hasn't grown much more. And I think if you keep it contained in a smaller pot, you're able to keep it smaller, which is really good because these can get really big. Look at this. Look at the pretty coloring. This is doing good too in the south window. It gets very good lighting for several hours a day. So as you can see, I got several plants in my south window, and I just love it. I love that they're here, that I can look at them every day and see how they're doing. And plus, all the plants that I have in my home really help with filtering the air, filtering out the bad stuff that's maybe in your home in the wintertime. Here is my spider plant, which is babies off of my original plant, and I will show you the original plant right now, and it is just humongous. This is doing good here. It gets pretty good lighting in this room, but it's not by a window. It's kind of off by it on its own, and it's doing just fine. Alright, this is the mother of all spider plants. But look at all the babies. Look at those. Isn't it amazing? It's doing pretty good. Now this one's facing the north side, right by my patio. It just gets very good lighting, but no intense sun or anything, and it actually is doing really well here. Here's the cactus like succulent that is actually on my north side right now. I might have to move it because it does like medium light, but it is really cool. It vines down, as you can see, and I will probably have to move it because I think it needs better lighting, but isn't it neat? Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so you will get updated. Make sure you click on that little bell that you'll see on the channel that will give you push notifications to you when I have a new video. So thanks so much for stopping in today, and let's get going on growing.